Christy from the Circuit Breakers, and today we're going to be going over how to connect your Mac Android Studio to your Rev Control Hub. So like I said, first we're going to go over a brief overview on how to install Android Studio and adding the FTC controller. We're then going to go over what ADB is and when you should use it. Then we're going to go over installing ADB and troubleshooting. We might go over it, but probably not. So first, Android Studio, installing the FTC controller. So first, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the Android Studio link, make sure you pick the correct software. For example, for me, I would be using a Mac OS link, and I'll download it. Then you're going to go to your FTC robot controller, and go to the GitHub, and you're going to import or clone the link of the Android Studio, which I will go elaborate on to in the next slide. So, your Android Studio should look like this, have a little welcome to Android Studio sign, your version, all that good stuff. And you're going to go, so if you left this purple arrow, means you're going to clone it. You're going to go click the button from Get from Version Control, and you're going to copy the link that you got from GitHub. Then for the black arrow, this is directly from GitHub to Android Studio. You're going to click the Import project from Gradle, Eclipse, ADT, all that stuff, and you're going to put the file that you got from GitHub. So why ADB and how it works. So ADB, or Android Debug Bridge, is a command line tool that allows you to communicate with devices wirelessly. And it's an alternative for FTC drivers because instead of using the traditional way with connecting from USB to your control hub, you can just do it wirelessly and the devices can communicate using the Wi-Fi. So basically a deeper look into what it does, it allows Android Studio to communicate with the device wirelessly. The files can be copied from the device. You can start and stop programs, and they can be used over a network, which we'll go over. The APKs can be installed, and it monitors your CPU activity. So installing and setting up ADB. So this is what your Android Studio should look like when you first get it. After you import the the FTC controller, it has a little README thing, and that's how you should look like. Just making sure you got it right. You should have your team code right here, and no devices because you haven't done anything yet. So you're going to click on Android Studio, go on Preferences, and this is how preferences should look like. I have external tools already because I've already done this, obviously, and it might not open on external tools, in which case make sure to click on Tools and then go to External Tools if it doesn't. So Tools to External Tools. You're then going to click this plus sign right here, and you're going to go here. So it should look like this, but blank, and you're going to put for the first one, you're going to enable TCP over IP like this. Your program is going to be which folder you want it to be in. It should typically end in this, platform/tools/ADB, but it's going to look different for everyone in the beginning. You're not only writing this, there's a file thing right here, you're going to pick which file, which is going to take you to Finder. You're going to pick which folder you would like it to be in. For your arguments, program TCP IP 5555. 5555, yeah, working directory, that, and right here, this is going to be when you want to connect over Wi-Fi Direct. So you're going to put connect ADB over Wi-Fi Direct, got cut off. This isn't required, but it is good if you want to have it on directly on the Android device you're using as a driver. And you're going to put the same thing you put right here. This time it asks for an IP, in which case you'll put connect that, it's going to request your IP, and the same working directory. So after you click that, you should go to Tools, you should go to External Tools, and you should have these two, that means it's working, and then you connect it to your device, and your device should show up right there, and it should start working there, and you can run whatever you need to. That's the end.